Hello friends, welcome to method 2 for solving the question given that 1 over x equals 4 and 1 over y equals 7, solve for xy over x plus y. This is method 2, and I do agree my three methods overlap. Often they start off the same or have similar concepts, but here's method 2. So there we wrote the question 1 over x equals 4, 1 over y equals 7 given. Solve for xy over x plus y. And what I do is I rewrote there that x equals 1 over 4, y equals 1 over 7. We want to solve for xy and x plus y. I do them separately. X times y is 1 over 4 times 1 over 7. Rules of fractions, we multiply the top, we multiply the bottom, we get 1 over 28. X plus y is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 7. Rules of fractions, when you add them, we find a common denominator. In this case, it is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. So 1 times 7 gives us 7. And if 7 times 4 gives 28, 1 times 4 is 4. So you've got 7 plus 4 over 28 is 11 over 28. So we have solved for xy and x plus y. So we substitute in xy, we put in 1 over 28. And x plus y, we put in 11 over 28. Rules of fractions, if I divide by 11 over 28, it's like multiplying by 28 over 11. We divide by fractions, like flipping and multiplying. Our 28s cancel each other out, and we're left with 1 over 11. And that's our answer for method 2. And please stand by for method 3. Thank you.